Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Snapchat not sending snaps. To know how to fix or how to solve Snapchat not sending snaps, you should just go to settings as you see and you will click. After that, in this page, you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will enter to Snapchat. When you find this page, you will enter to first stop and you will click here. Then we click OK. Here we go to click storage. When you will find this page, you will enter to clear cache. And in the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.